Coloplast Care is an ongoing product and lifestyle educational support program to help intermittent catheter users stay healthy and become confident in their routine. When enrolled in Coloplast Care, you'll receive a welcome call from an advisor within 24 hours of leaving the hospital. You'll also receive a free welcome kit in the mail, which will arrive in about 2 business days. Maria, do you want to show us what the welcome kit includes?
Definitely. The welcome kit comes in a bag like this. And as you open the bag, you'll find a booklet on understanding urinary tract infections or UTIs and the basics of intermittent catheterization techniques. There's also a practical guide to bladder health that covers nurse-validated tips to maintaining a healthy bladder. You'll also find the bladder diary, which can help you track liquid intake and outputs to help you stay hydrated and follow a catheterization routine. There's also a disinfectant Isogel bottle for convenient sanitization on the go. Finally, women receive a purse and men receive a bag to carry their catheters. Women also receive a leg mirror to help while catheterizing.
Thank you so much, Maria. If you're watching this video and have any questions, you can reach out to the Coloplast Care Advising Team in the United States at 866-226-6362. You can also sign up at www.bladder.coloplastcare.us. Information from Coloplast Care is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations. You should rely on the healthcare professional who knows your individual history for personal medical advice and diagnosis.